Dear students and viewers, welcome to my class. Subject is cryptography and network security. Before going to that, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Anjay, Professor of CSC, State Police Engineering College, Hyderabad. So today I would like to discuss AES algorithm, Advanced Encryption Standard. So before going to that, one large motivation of this concept behind this. It seems very simple. It is very simple, but if you don't know what the key is, it's virtually indecipherable. So, talking to Strandman, Ruth Rendell. So, this is regarding AES Advanced Encryption Standard. Just motivation quotation. Now, coming to AES and its origins. So, AES means Advanced Encryption Standard. Now, coming to here, origins. A clear replacement of DS was needed. So here DS is data encryption standard. So for this AES, we required a clear replacement of DES. Have theoretical attacks that can break it. Have demonstrated access to key such attacks. And they can use 2DS but slow as small blocks. Now here, you can use US NIST, National Institute of Standard Technologies, and issued a call for ciphers in 1997. 15 candidates accepted in June 98. So five were shortlisted in August 99, and these are how Regional was selected as the AES in October 2000 and issued as FPI's PUB on 97 standard in November 2001, right? Federal Information Processing System FIPS. So originally this came in November 2001. So now coming to here, what is AES requirements? So this is purely based on private key symmetric block cipher algorithm. Private key. So we may call it as a symmetric. We may call it as private key symmetric block cipher algorithm. It required 128-bit data. So 128 slash 192 256-bit keys. So data is 128-bit and keys are 128, 192 to 256-bit keys you can use. Indeed, stronger and faster than triple DS and active life of 20 to 30 years and provide full specification and design details. Both C and Java implementations, this algorithm help you. The NIST, National Institute of Standard Technologies, have released all submissions and unclassified analysis for this. So these are all the AES requirements. Now coming to AES evaluation criteria. So initial criteria. So let us go for initial criteria. Security. So effort for practical cryptanalysis and cost. So in terms of computational efficiency, the cost will be various and algorithm and implementation characteristics. So this is the initial criteria. Security, cost, algorithm is very very important. These three are initial criteria. Then final criteria goes to general security and easy of software and hardware implementation and implementation attacks and flexibility in encryption and decryption and key and other factors. So these are the initial and final criteria of how AES evaluation, right? Now AES shortlist. So how this AES is shortlisted after five finalized versions. So after testing and evaluation shortlist in August 99, MJR's IBM asks IBM. So for this complex fast high security margin and RC6 USA, very simple, very fast, slow security margin, and the Regional Belgium, clean, fast, good security margin, and Serpent Euro, slow, clean, very high security margin, and Tofish USA, complex, very fast, high security margin. So then subject to further analysis and comment, and saw contrast between algorithms with. So these are the few complex rounds versus many simple rounds, which define existing ciphers versus new proposals. Based upon this, how this AES is shortlisted. These are the best examples, suitable comparisons of how this AES is shortlisted. The ES cipher is regional. So this is actually how it implements, designed by Rijman Duyman in Belgium. So that is regional has 128, comma 120, 192 slash 256 bit keys and 128 bit data. This is very very important. 128 bit data and the keys are 128 slash 192 slash 256 bit keys, and it is an iterative rather than physical cipher and processes data as block of 4 columns of 4 bytes, and it operates an entire data block in every round, and it designed to be resistant against known attacks and speed and code compactness on many CPUs, and design is simplicity. So region deal. So now here, so data block of 4 columns and 4 bytes is state, and the key is expanded to array of words. We will see how array of words how they are storing, and is 9 by 11 by 13 rounds in which each state undergoes. Now here, so byte substitution one S box state box used in every byte, and shift rows permute bytes between groups and columns, mix columns. That's substitute of using matrix multiple of groups, and add round key XR state with key material, and view as alternating XOR key, view as alternating XOR key, and scramble data bytes, and initial XR key material, and incomplete last round, and with fast XR and table lookup implementation. So now coming to here, so these are the two steps how this regional algorithm will work. Basically, these steps are very very important. Byte substitution, shift rows, mix columns, add round key, view as alternating XOR key. So these are the primary steps. To internally implements this AES algorithm, we will see in detail with the diagrammatically. Now here this is uh, regional how this algorithm works. So now here initially we have supplied the plain text here. So this is about the plain text, and so this is for round 1 up to round 9, 10, and same here. This is encryption side, this is decryption side. So now here keys are supplying each and every round with respect to each and every round. We are supplying the keys, add round key, plain text initially we insert, and add round key, substitute bytes, shift rows, mix columns, add round key. This in first round. So we are performing all these operations, add round key, substitute bytes, shift rows, mix columns, add round keys. So these are the process steps we are going to perform. So and each and every round we are supplying the rounded keys. Each and every round we are supplying the keys, right? And now here in first step we are expanding the key. Same. So round 1 to round 9, same substitute bytes. Now here after performing round 1 to round 9, so we are substituting bytes and shift rows, mix columns, add round key. Then round 10 substitute bytes, shift rows, add round key. Right? So then round 10 also same. Add round key, inverse sub bytes and inverse shift rows. This is for decryption and this is for encryption. So opposite of encryption is decryption. That's why we are performing inverse operation for here as per the same operations mentioned by here previous rounds and in encryption process. We are applying the decryption process. That's why we are inverse operation is performing here with maintaining same type of operations. Just inverse we are applying. So this is about how this region level works as per the AES computations. So now byte substitution. Here a simple substitution of each byte. uses one table of 16 cross 16 bytes containing a permutation of all 256 and 8-bit values. And each byte of state is replaced by a byte indexed by row left 4 bits and column right 4 bits. Example, byte 95 is replaced by byte in row 9, column 5, which has a value of 2a as seen in the diagram. And X box constructed using defined transformation of value of gf to the power 8 and designed to be resistant to all the known attacks. So now here byte substitution. So this is a in detail micro level how operations are substitute. So byte substitution is happening like this. Here S box will store, right? So this is initially how we are going to substitute the bytes, and these are the inverse operation of the same bytes. So we are going to store the inverse operation of this S box. And next shift rows. A circular byte shift in each, and its first row is unchanged, but second row does 1 byte circular shift to left, and third row does 2 byte circular shift to left. Fourth row does 3 byte circular shift to left. So this is shift each and every bit we are shifting from left, and decrypt inverts using shift to right. And since state is processed by columns, this step permutes bytes between the columns. So shift rows. So this will be shifting operation in the rows. So now here this is the actual operations how we are going to shifting, right? So shift rows and next mix columns. Now here we are mixing the columns. Here each column is processed separately. Each byte is replaced by a value dependent on all 4 bytes in the column and effectively a matrix multiplication of gf to the power of 8 and using prime polynomial m of x equal to x to the power of 8 plus 4 to x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus x plus 1. So this is the entire polynomial operation. So this is the mixed columns operation in detail micro level how we are going to apply the mixed columns operation. And next coming here, this is how we are going to mix the columns, right? So, so this is the original encryption process and this is the decryption process inverse of this encryption. We are performing decryption process here, the reverse of encryption. Next, so in mixed columns we have seen and express each column as a 4 equations. To derive each new byte in column and decryption requires use of inverse matrix, right? As per this inverse operation we have seen with large coefficients in a little header and have an alternate characterization. Each column a 4-term polynomial so with coefficient in gf to the power of 8 and apply polynomials multiplied by modulus of x to the power of 4 plus 1. So this is how the mixed columns operations we are applying. We have seen with help of basic building block diagram how inverse operations we are performing. And next add round key. So this operation what happens is so each and every level we are adding the round key. So each and every round we are adding the keys. Now XOR state with the 128 bits the round key and again processed by column through effective as series of byte operations and the inverse for decryption identical since XOR own inverse and with the reversed keys and designed to be as simple as possible. A form of Varnam cipher and expanded key requires other stages for complexity and security. So this is how each and every level we are adding each and every round a key will be added. And next add round we'll see how this exclusive OR operation is performing here. Each and every round we are adding key. So initially double F5 plus 1 double F5 plus double F5 3 I plus 3. So we are increasing each and every round. The key will be added same with respect of this. So this is the encryption process, this is decryption process, right? So we're performing with exclusive operation of this round key, add round key. So then we're getting inverse value. So exclusive OR operation of the round key of given given input. Then we'll get that is equals to then get inverse operation of this given input. The AES round. So this is the entire AES how it performs. So this is S and subbytes now. So this is main state and the subbytes, and once again states, and here shift rows, how we are shifting the rows, and state once again, and mix columns. So how we are going to mix the columns we have seen. Once again state, and now here add round key. So each and every round we are adding the keys, add round key, and next original state. So this is all the operations we have seen previously in the micro level, right? So this is macro level how the AES around is implemented with the typical architecture diagram. So it shows how the complete clear cut procedure of how AES will works. So AES key expansion. So it takes 128-bit, 16-bit key and expands into arrays of 44 of 52 of 60, 32-bit words. They start by copying key into first four words, then loop creating words that depend on values in previous and four places of back. So in three of four cases, just XOR these together. In first word, 4 as rotate plus S box plus XOR round, constant and previous and before XOR fourth back. So this is how the AES key expansion, add round key expansion will be done each and every level. So here AES key expansion, how it is expand the key, tell about the diagrams. Initially W0, W1, W2, W3 will be expanded to W4, W5, W6, W7. Next, key expansion rational. So designed to resist keys attacks and design criteria included knowing part key insufficient to find many more, and invertible transformation. We have seen invertible transformation and fast on a wide range of CPUs. It can work on fast CPUs and use round constant for break symmetry. We diffuse key bits into round keys and enough non-linearity to hinder analysis. Simplicity of description. Simplicity of description. So this is how the key expansion is going on. So AES decryption. Now here AES decryption is not identical to encryption since steps are done in reverse order, right? So initially encryption is reverse is decryption. So now same process here happens, but we can define an equivalent inverse cipher with steps as for encryption. But using inverse of each step with different key schedule and work since result in unchanged when swap byte substitution and shift rows. Swap mix columns and add round key. So this is AES decryption. I have seen in previous diagram. So how we are going to perform all these inverse operations. The decryption process, hypertext, right? Add down key, inverse sub bytes, inverse shift rows, inverse mix columns, right? Add round key, round 1 up to round 10. We have seen previously the basic building block architecture diagram of AES and implementation aspects. It can effectively implement in 8-bit CPU, and it substitutes work on 256 entries. Shift row is simple byte shift, and add round key works on byte XORs, and mix columns require matrix multiply in GF, which works on byte values and can be simplified to use table lookups and byte exclusive XORs. Implementation aspects. So it can effectively implement in 32-bit CPU also. So redefine steps with 32-bit words also. And it can pre-compute 4 tables of 26 words and 2 to 4 table lookups of plus 4 XORs. The cost of 4 KB to store tables, simple storage. And designers believe this very efficient implementation was key factor in selection as an AES cipher. So this is about regarding AES algorithm. As of now, I've seen we have considered the AES selection process, the details of regional the AES cipher, and looked at the steps each and every round, and the key expansion implementation aspects. We have seen AES algorithm. This is very, very important. Thank you, one and all.